I was Samanar. So today the Bihar election result as eagerly expected and widely expected as per the exit poll. NDA made a very big victory. We can say that landslide victory. Even NDA won't expected that. That's all we have to say because all the exit poll said that it's around 145 to 160. So that was the range all the exit poll predicted. But it has crossed more than 200 as of now. All are not declared a result, the leading result. So based on that, it is around close to 200 by the time of recording this video. That is 4:25 p.m. Okay, so then Pine Lab today listed. All this and all we will see one by one. Before that, this is a disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are for educational purpose, just to sharing my views. Always a good trader or investor have to do their own studies and analysis and have to take their own decisions. Okay, so with this understanding we will proceed. Before that, I once again request, please do subscribe and like. If at all if feel this video is not relevant to you, please do share with other WhatsApp group, so someone to someone maybe this will be helpful, so you can help to the unknown persons. Okay, right. So one of my video I addressed this, I think in the even yesterday also. So all the exit poll, if you see, it's somewhere around 140 145 to 160 165. But the result, the result in the sense, the leading result as per 4:25 p.m. today, the NDA crossed more than 200. It's totally 223, I think so. Yeah, sorry, yeah, 243. The record is 122, but it is crossed to more than 200. The NDA alliance, so it's the biggest landslide victory for them. But I already said. The victory doesn't give any big positive impact to the market. So exactly that what happened today. That and all we will see in the video. So today the market performance, Nifty closed to 30 point positive closure. Actually until 3 p.m. it was negative, very much negative. On 3 p.m. is started spike. Actually we can say it's a spike. More than, I think somewhere around 200 point it has spiked in just last 20 minutes, we can say that. So that's why it is made a very 30 point flat close, we can say that. Large cap 22 point positively closed, mid cap 108 points, and small cap 30 points, and micro cap minus 21 point. So everything we can consider this is a very flat market, very flat closure, we can say that. So there is no negativity. Bank Nifty 135 point positively closed, Nifty IT minus 378 point negatively closed. So about sectors, pharma quite positively close to 0.59 percentage. The downside, the biggest one is Nifty IT minus 1.03 percentage. So this is mainly because of Infi. So it was throughout the day more than 3 percentage negative, but at the last moment there was a recovery. I think minus 2.5 it has reduced. We can say that. Right. So now we will see the overall market direction. So before that, today this Pine Lab is listed. The issue price was 221, but end of the day, in the listing day today, it is closed at 250. That is 13 point listing gain. We can say that listing day gain. So those who get this stock in the IPO are luckiest person. We can say that, right? Then about Nifty. So Nifty, the 25,650 is the very strong support. It is quite well about that. So the gain momentum in the upside is keep on gaining. So the immediate swing resistance, we can say that 26,100. This was a very recent high. So this will act as a resistance. Once this is crossed, 26,500 would be the next level of target. Then if you see the Bank Nifty, so the 15,500 is a very strong support, but it's quite well above that, more than 1,000 point. So it also very, it's exactly it is at all time high, we can say that Bank Nifty. So it is ready to go further new all time high. Then Nifty IT. So though it is 378 point negatively closed today, but if you see the candle and tail, it clearly shows that buyers are aggressively entered the end of the market. So that may lead to the upside move. So the immediate resistance would be 36,800, this range. So if you see earlier, day before yesterday, once it is touched, the profit booking might happen yesterday and today. So now once it is crossed, the next target would be 39,000. Then mid and small 400 index, this is a mid cap 150, small cap 250, collectively mid and small 400 index. It is this index will give a very good market perspective. It's the most reliable one. So it is also able to see a good positive momentum and optimism. The 26,600 will act as a resistance. So earlier it touched near to that, again there is a profit booking. Now again coming back, and this time I think definitely it will cross us. So if you see the overall market, or Indian market, we couldn't able to see any big negativity. We can able to see some positivity, and optimism is gaining. So that in turn momentum gain, and we can expect by end of this month 26,500 hopefully. Then about US market, yesterday Dow closed to minus 797 point, almost 800 point. S&P 500 minus 113 point, and composite index, NASDAQ composite index minus 500 point. So this is the reason our market today was in the negative most of the time. So it's not become the result is very good. The electron result is very good. Actually, it should be some marginally positive. You should move, but why it gone downside is because of this reason. So the overall our market is in the optimism. So there is a positive gain we can able to see in the last half an hour. So that probably that will continue. And about this Dow, if you see, it's at all-time high zone. So there will be heavy profit booking. Maybe if today, if you a green candle forms and there is no negativity in the weekend, Saturday, Sundays, we can expect from Monday on again a new rally in the upside. So if you see the S&P 500 also near, it's well above the support, and composite index also well above the support line. So overall, US market also we couldn't able to see any negativity. So that in turn support our market also. So we can expect the next week would be very good positivity. So with this, we can enjoy this weekend. So before closing this video, we will see the 4 stocks we used to see on F&O segment, the gaining top 2 stocks and losing top 2 stocks we will used to see. So with that respect, from the gainer, Muthoot Finance and Jubilee Foods, and the losing side, Supreme Industries and Astral. One by one we will see now. First, Muthoot Finance. So if you see, it was traveling somewhere between 3,100 and 3,400, but today there is a massive gap up. Today 9.80% is positively closed. See the gap how much. So it may further go further, it will travel, but there are a lot of chances it will come back to fill this gap. So be careful on this. Then Jubilee Food. So this is the 575 is the very strong support, and 720 is the resistance. So once immediately touch the resistance, you see the very big gap up from the support. Today 729 point positively it is closed. Just a moment. Yeah, 707.29% is positively closed. So we can expect a further upside movement for this stock. Then Supreme Industries, the 4,000 was the resistance, 3,400 was the support. So now it is traveling towards this support. Then Astral, so it is traveling between 1,350 and 1,600. You can able to see here. So immediate after the 1,600, the resistance test, there is a heavy profit booking since yesterday. Today this stock closed 2.39% negatively closed. I don't think so it will come to till 1,350 by this time. It may take support at 1,475 and 500 between, and again there is a chances it will turn back. So if at all you are considering these 4 stocks, please do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. So with this we close this video. Happy weekend. Before closing the video, once again it is a request, please share this video in your other WhatsApp groups, so others also get benefited from this video. Please do subscribe and like. See you in next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.